Welcome back. I'm Gilbert with Ratchet Rice Rockets. I know a few guys was asking for like an update on my what is it? The Kohler Systems uh, four trumpet 150 dB train horn. Damn mosquito! Get out of here. Anyways, now I thought it was busted. Few about a week ago, I was because sometimes when I don't use the car for a while, I unplug the fuse, so it doesn't accidentally start running again, start charging itself because they've done that in the past. But yeah, I thought it was busted. I'll show you here the intro. What's up, broskies? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Gilbert. Ratchet Rice. I'm gonna show you it because it would always ramp up to like maybe like 75 psi on the tank gauge, and it wouldn't get past it. I was like, what's going on? I mean, I thought maybe the motor was going bad or something, but I it was at 75 and I unplugged it. I mean, I turned it off. I pulled on the hose from the back. I mean, of course you can see I got the back seats right there. I ran it through here, and then back there is the hatch. There's my power supply there, and then the tanks back there in the hatch. Well, I turned it off, and I was like, dude, I gotta have an air leak. So I pulled on the hose back. I was back behind the car, and I pulled the hose under the seat, and I start hearing air. Let me see if I can show it. Well, look at that guy. It was leaking from there. It was also leaking from. Let me see if I can show you. Yeah, from there. Yeah, so it was a little extreme bends in there. I mean, but then again, this one right here goes through the carpet and it folds over, and the the hoses, it's fine. I mean, I don't know why in this area here. Excuse the mess. It's a little dirty, but I don't know why in here when it's long, it's chilling through here. So I had to route it something like that, along with the power supply of the amp. Oh, excuse me. So, yeah, a little update on the Kohler Systems train horn. I mean, to this day, it runs fine. It runs. I still got it there in the back. It runs fine. It's just, oh, whoa, almost snapped my ankle. It's just, I don't think, I mean, this is Texas. I live in Texas, so it's hot. I mean, I guess Arizona, same thing. Anywhere where it's hot, 100-degree plus weather, I mean, your car's going to get hot. So I'm guessing that silicone hose, or it feels like silicone, not really, but it's like a rubber, almost like a PVC. I couldn't tell you. It's hard. It's flexible, but it's not like silicone. But I'm gonna see. I'm not gonna replace the hose. I'm gonna cut the sections out, and I'm gonna put, like, if I have a barb fitting, I'm gonna put it through there and get some hose clamps and try to send it that way. But if not, I'm gonna have to replace the whole entire hose. I personally haven't actually even priced it, I mean, I'm guessing it can't be that much. Even if you get like a heater hose, but that's a lot. That's a long way. They gave me like 15 feet. I can't remember. But I'm gonna try to repair that hose and get it to where this guy go. I think it topped out at like 120, right there where the red's at. I think it topped out there, but right now it wasn't even getting to the 75. Well, I think a little past 75, but it has an air leak. So I'm gonna see if I got what I need to repair this hose. I mean, just do a quick one. I'm not even gonna put the rear seat in. It's gonna stay out till I get a new hose. But I just want to test out there for you, the guys who are wondering. I've had this. I mean, I'll have to go back in the archives of the last time, how long it's been since I've installed this thing. I use it, man. I use it. So I know people always comment, how's it working? How's it working? It's still good. It's still running. It hasn't burned up yet. I mean, but then again, it burns up. I've only spent like $89 on it. Dude, I'll buy another one. I know they're good. But yeah, I'm gonna go see if I got what I need to fix this, and I'll check back. Okay, so I don't exactly have the stuff to fix it, but I'm gonna try something just to do. Cut it. I'm gonna slip this guy inside of another hose and then clamp it. But I'm gonna cut out the bad spots. Hold on. So that's the bad spot right here. I cut a little extra. I didn't need to cut this, or I could have cut it right at the fault. Like, you see this spot right here? Right there was where it's bad. This was good. But anyways, I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do. Okay, I have this heater, this fuel line hose, which fits in there perfectly. Look, I'm gonna put you down because I can't do this. Can't do it one-handed. So I'm gonna pause it and then. All right. Alright, so you see this, I'm doing like a little homeboy backyard fix. I'm just going to shove this hose into this hose, and I'm going to put a clamp right there. I'm going to go ahead and do the other one, the other side, which is simply just shove this guy in there, ever so slightly. Alright, when I come back, I'll have this hooked up and then back on the unit, and then we'll get another go at it. Okay, now don't think I'm gonna leave it like this. I'm not gonna fix it 100% right now because I do not have the parts included the parts I need. But look, that's what I got. Bam, 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 bam. Focus. Oh, I think it's dirty. Got it here. Yes, it's doing a big loop, but that's like a turbo. It amplifies it. It comes out and it makes a little loop-de-loop, and it's 175 million speed faster, mile per hour faster. So it's gonna sound louder. I don't believe any of that. All right, so. Don't freak out, because every time I plug it in, it freaks me out. voila, or voila, or however the hell he said. It was a simple hose problem. Save money. Oh, saving money. Come on. It was already a money saving when I bought the damn thing. And of course I installed it myself, so. And as you can see, listen closely. No leaks. Unlike the dam. Unlike the damn whole leak. Look at these guys. Now, I know y'all want to hear it. I got you. Alright, let me get the tripod. Hold on, I'm gonna put you on slap pause. Alright, I gotta bring y'all back a little further back, because what I noticed when I tested it in the garage, the sound goes flat. Can't hear crap. So hopefully I don't know if this video can do a little justice. You know, like I said, I don't know what that's gonna sound like on video. Right now I'm recording off the phone. I should have used my GoPro, but like I said, it still works. I'll have to look back. I'll probably throw some text on the screen. I'll look back at when I originally posted that video. It must have been almost a year ago, and it still works. I mean, we got a little hiccup with the hose, but hey, no biggie, man. I should have routed a little better. I mean, I ran it underneath the damn seat. It gets sat on. So maybe next time I'll probably, well, I don't know what I'm going to do, honestly. I might run it. I don't know. I might make a video on rerouting it. I don't know. But yeah, for all the people that were wondering how the system's working, still there, Papa. Still there. I ain't gone anywhere. If it would have been trashed, I would have thrown that sucker to the curb. Just got another. Well, thanks for hanging with me, guys, and thanks for watching.